All right, so you watched our video with making our pre-ferment. So Danny was like, got this biga made. What are we gonna do? And I was like, man, I don't know. He's like, I got an idea. I said, dude, do what you got to do. So Danny went in the dough room and created a red, white, and blue pizza dough. Beautiful. This one's made with biga. This is special. So, to the tradition of the Italian American, we're gonna make a red, white, and blue pizza dough, a cherry grappa pulled pork with some red onion. Here's Danny now, we were just talking about him. All right, so we're going Italian American, red, white, and blue dough, Sambuca cherry barbecue pulled pork, some red onion, some scallions, and a little gorgonzola. So let's pull out one of these beauties. How much biga was in this dough?
It's about 30% biga.
30%, which is the typical. Whenever basically we train somebody, it start at 30%. You can smell, it smells nice. Start at 30%, and as you start getting comfortable, you can work your way up and do a higher percentage of biga to your dough. So, check this out. All right. What you see on this app making red, white, and blue dough? I haven't seen it yet. All right, so nice. We stretch it out. Check out how this thing looks. Red, white, and blue, baby. We're gonna go with a base of low moisture, East Coast blend mozzarella. Salute. Okay. I'm going to take some of our cherry sambuca pulled barbecue pulled pork.
Say that 3 times fast.
Some thin sliced red onion. So when I do something like this, typically I like to slice my onion, soak it in water with a little bit of salt, just to help break it down a little bit, and then it's not as intense of a flavor. You can do whatever you want. You can cut it and go right onto the pizza. And then some nice Italian gorgonzola. I'm going to finish it with scallions. All right. Voila.
Here we go.
All right. So this one we're going to bake in our Valoriani by Munini. So this one right now we're running gas. And if you say, no, you can't be running gas, I can't hear anything. Every other oven out on the market is so loud when a gas is running. This is the Valoriani difference and the Munini difference. So right now we have it static. But if I want to simply go rotate I just hit switch.
And there is wood burning.
So we got the wood burning off to the side in its own little compartment with the gas. I like the dual. I like the dual fuel. My cup of tea. All right, look at that. How sweet is that? The bottom you'll see, so this oven also, option, bottom burner. So if you want, you can get a bottom burner on it. I'm gonna let it go around one more time, just for fun. Just because I want a little bit crispier. So bottom burner is gonna keep your stone hot all night long. So no matter how many pizzas your pizzeria is putting out, this stone's never gonna go cold. All right, so we got our pork, our onion, our gorgonzola. Now we got some nice, beautifully cut green onion. Red, white, and green on top, red, white, and blue on the bottom. The ultimate Italian-American pizza right here. So I went savory. And Danny?
I'm going sweet.
Danny's going sweet. Let me get my stuff out of the way.
All right.